there were actually no professions open to women. One could ascribe to be a governess, a midwife, or a nanny, or a nun. Those were the only respectable professions. Oh, let's face it, in Victorian England, women were possessions. 3,000 injured, lying in this barracks used as a hospital then. Oh, miles and miles of fallen men. For every 95 patients, there was but one surgeon who sawed and sawed from sun till sun on one mother's son to another, without a nurse. Oh, there were orderlies who brought no order. They introduced thievery to the quarter. Oh, no surprise, enter cholera, our uninvited guest, the pestilence unseen, whom, by the time we arrived, had captured over 60% of the lives. Oh, friends, our most unwelcome surprise is that we were scorned by the physician staff. Yes, and we were warned to turn round and retreat. Ha! Well, we had no such intention, not to mention that journey. Huh? We stood our ground. I said, it is clear we are needed here. Why? We are on a mandate from the army. We are reinforcements, are we? It is clear that this new horizon, this new nursing profession was actually my calling.